We at Envisage are known for designing beautiful Indian homes. Homes that literally take you back to your roots. But then there is also the global Indian who would like to bring in the latest trends into their house and yet be connected to their roots. How do we do that? Can our traditional arts and crafts be relevant in a contemporary setting as well? Well, welcome to Advaita, a home that combines Wabi-Sabi, which is a beautiful minimalistic theme, and intercepts it beautifully with Indian arts and crafts. Now, Advaita means non-dual. It refers to things that might look different on the surface, but yet essentially carry the same soul within. Wabi-Sabi and Indian crafts actually have that connect. It's one of respecting nature and everything that is associated with it. So here it is. We welcome you to our New Age Global Indians home, our latest project, Advaita. The first thing that you see when you approach Advaita is its simple door with a handcrafted Dashavatar over it. Well, what better way to celebrate evolution than a theme that binds both Wabi-Sabi and Indianness right at the entrance? Well, there's also a lovely Pachedi, a traditional art form from Gujarat that sets the tone for things to come inside. As soon as you enter the house, the first thing that strikes you is this wall of arched niches. Very Japandi, yet holding crafts from four corners of India. A Panchaloha from Tamil Nadu, a glass from the terrazzo of Punjab, a printing block from Rajasthan, and black clay pottery from Meghalaya. And flanking it on one side is a 200-year-old restored pillar from Chettinad and a mythical Yali atop it. This is our way of saying, hey, we can be global on the outside, but what we carry within us is so very Indian. The wall of niches leads you to the central space of the living, dining and family zone, all in one seamless arrangement and in a monotone. We've tried to bring in an organic geometry to the space by using curves in different formats. Well, the main sofa sits against a beautifully fluted backdrop with a customized traditional Gaunt painting, which shows the interconnectedness of flora and fauna. I love this space. The linear space is also interjected in two places by a beautiful handcrafted Kalamkari motif on the floor made in terrazzo on site. The dining space also has a console with a kitchen window by it. Well, this frame that you see is again a restored piece from Rajasthan. Aging brings out such beauty in things, don't you think so? This looks lovely. Well, this window peeps into the kitchen. And at the far end of this linear space is the family area overlooking the balcony. The TV panel has the same lime wash finish as the rest of the house, but with a hand-drawn mural of a potter at work. The best analogy that there is to show how craftsmen create beauty out of literally nothingness. The TV lounge has an arched passageway that leads to the son's room. Well, this room belongs to a teenage boy and thus needed a space to isolate, a space to study, and a space to celebrate and interact with friends. So we created a corner bed with a slightly lower ceiling to get a cozy feeling. Well, this bed continues and converts into a raised seating right next to it as a space to interact with friends. The footrest of the bed also acts as a backrest for people seated here. And right across the bed, we have a big book storage with a writable surface for a shutter and a seating inside a niche with a mural of none other than Tala MS Dhoni. Well, he has God status in this room. The storage and the study table are set against two walls, thus creating a clean walking space in the room. The other bedroom in the house belongs to the mother, a senior citizen who wanted just simple comfort. So lots of storage was built around the bed, ensuring that the room looks bigger. And a small personal puja space was created right there for ease of access. The headboard has a lovely hand-drawn mural of birds, again a Wabi-Sabi element, to add nice cheer to the space. The master bedroom is straight out of the principles of Wabi-Sabi. Clean, neat, well arranged, and yet it celebrates everything Indian. A dressing table that has a hand-drawn Kalamkari dupatta brought from an Andhra artist acts as a shutter. A handcrafted bed and bespoke side tables and a TV console and classic louvered shutters all add to the Indianness to the room. One corner also has a hand-drawn Patachitra mural. The monochrome tones help calm one down after a hard day at work. One that is especially ruled by a visual overdose of screens these days. Well, if you've noticed it, most of the furniture at Advaita is lifted off the floor by 5 inches, and that is to allow a Roomba vacuum machine to move around the house by itself. Maintenance is a huge priority for us at Envisage when we design these beautiful homes. These days, no one wants to dedicate a room specifically for guests who come probably once or twice a year. So, well, that space needs to be multi-utilitarian. And here's that room at Advaita. This room has an air of simplicity to it, yet it allows you to curl up with a book, enjoy the greens outside with a cup of coffee, soak in some music or play, meditate and pray. There's also this beautiful artwork by Kangana inside the puja. This room also turns into a bedroom when the need be. Connecting with thyself is thus the mood of this room. Since all the activities in this room are centered around the arts and learning, we commission a beautiful Saraswati artwork by Prasoon Mazumdar. According to folklore and scriptures, Brahma recreates the earth every 7th Brahma day, and while he does that from a deluged planet, his consort Saraswati recreates the arts. So here she is sitting amidst chaos with serenity on her face. Arts do help us tackle this very chaos around us by calming us down, don't they? And that is what this art and the room represents. Bathrooms. It's that untold refuge area for all of us. Shut the door and be disconnected from the world. So, well, these special rooms obviously need to be designed with that much love. Gone are the days when we tile up the entire bathroom. Now, color and art rule these rooms. At Advaita, we've brought in Wabi-Sabi minimalism with a well-styled detailing to these spaces. The powder room has a mud-colored wall with a state-of-the-art basin by Colston. A ladder shelf acts as a vanity, and 2 lovely artworks by Clayman look shocked at what they see. The son's bathroom is a sage green space with subway tiles, wainscoting, a colored basin and WC from Colston again. The master bathroom has customized digital printed tiles that bring in biophilia in its own bold artistic way. The beige basin and WC are by Kohler. Truly a refuge, isn't it? Modest, natural, nostalgic, organic, raw, restrained, rough, rustic, serene, simple, soulful, subtle, textured, understated. And that, my friends, is Advaita, a Wabi-Sabi home designed for the modern Indian.